So here we're doing 4 single stitches into this hole. So this one doesn't count as 1, so here we do 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So first you're doing 9, and then you do 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we continue with the 3s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. And then you do a single stitch into the next chain 3 from the previous row, again to attach it. So you see here we're starting to build the border. So from here it would be this yellow row that we're currently doing. And then we do the same thing, we repeat. So I'll show you once more. First we anchor into the first stitch, and then chain 3, a single stitch into here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then lastly, 1, 2, 3. And then we conclude again by anchoring it into the chain 3 from the previous row. All right, so it's very simple, single crocheting to build the border. So I'm just gonna speed through the rest and then we can see how it looks. So now we end this by connecting it to the first stitch that we did into the first chain 3 with a slip stitch. And then we can And there you have it. That is row 8, which is the beginning of the border of the tile. So with this, you should have a total of 23 stitches into each of these fans. So next we're going to be doing the rest of the borders, which with the next ones they will be alternating colors, so as per the pattern. So this is a separate color, but then with the final few rows, those will be repeated. So just to take into consideration when you're choosing your color scheme. And that's it for this tutorial for row 8. Subscribe and tune in to see how to learn how to do the rest of the tile. It's super simple. The next will be more borders. Some will have pointed edges, so that's where the odd four stitches will come into play. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to follow along for the journey on building this octagon.